Don't break it though. Fast.
All right, guys, here we are. We're headed to our cooking class in Jarvala. It's going to take us about an hour to get there because we have to drive up the mountain. But first, enjoy a little bit of the views along the way. Oh. Oh my God, we're so close. Look at that. So close. We got here at 11:54 and the class starts at 12 p.m. So I'm very happy about that because I thought we were going to be late, but it all worked out.
She said it's a good location. She doesn't like Amalfi because it's too crowded.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we sit and wait in the garden. It's so pretty.
Wine?
Oh, water.
Okay.
Water for me, please.
Okay.
Ooh, what is this? Squash? Tracy said it's dreamy. Yeah. Can we see the ocean from there?
Yeah, this area is more like country like.
Yeah.
I could tell too the house too.
Okay, looks like we're moving. We're going inside.
Put all your stuff on the table.
Put all our stuff on the table. Woo.
Yes, you said leave your stuff here
And then do it.
and come back outside.
Oh. Okay, so I wasn't really sure what was going on right here, but basically he wanted us to come out, get our hands cleaned, and also to give us our aprons.
Oh, we gotta wash our hands.
This is soup for you.
Oh, hand sanitizer.
Time to get down to business. Step number 1, weigh your flour. I think he said to give it do 90 grams. So we literally have a scale right there. Then it's time to add your eggs. Break it open, get every last drop out, get it on out.
Perfecto.
Sorry, what do we do with her?
What?
I got a little egg on my hand.
So what I didn't realize was that we were about to start mixing the flour with the eggs with our bare hands anyway, so it did not matter.
Look at Gabby's. Look at Gabby's. He about to knead with all of this.
No, not like this. Only with the finger. Like this here. Watch me. What is your job? I'm sorry. Bravo, but you need more work, more little.
Okay, so apparently we gotta knead the hell out of this dough because I feel like we've been kneading forever. We still gotta do more. And then side note, why does Beatrice look like she's sneaking contraband in the back? Like, this looks so funny to me. And I didn't realize that Karen was trying to toast. Look at her face.
Not all wines taste good. Some are like, this is good. This is good. It's all the same to me.
And here you can see Pasquale stuffing the pasta with goat cheese and herbs.
And you work vertical, not on table.
Look at me over here being Pascal's sous chef. Hey.
Am I supposed to roll fast or just
Fast.
fast? Okay. Don't break it though.
When you pull long pull, like this, bravo. Not up, long.
Delle belle turbando il riposo, narcisetto adocino d'amor.
Teamwork makes the dream work, guys. We all contributed.
Prego? How many? 6.
You?
4. And 6.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Guys, look at the garden. It's so peaceful and serene. So I decided to take a nice little walk, as did this gentleman here, while our pasta cooked and, you know, just kind of chilled and had a little moment. Lunch is ready. We got our ravioli.
With tagliatelle.
Thank you. Sit right here. You got to wash yours. So this is the finished product, guys, and for dessert we had some tiramisu, but I didn't get to record that because by that time we were kind of rushing to leave. We were running past time, so all aboard. All right. Tracy's in there, or she's back there? Okay. Hi. Back to Mayori to get ready for dinner in Priano. Hopefully we'll have more than enough time to get ready and not be too rushed. Got myself an olive oil. It was 15 euros. It's like herb infused olive oil. He gave us a little sample with some bread and it was really good. We're waiting for Tracy. I don't know, our driver is probably like... All right, Tracy's here.
Yep.
Time to head on the road. See you in Mayori or Priano or views along the way.